It's a puppy. Oh, hi, puppy. You're on camera, so pop it up. Alright, we're back with another video. We're with our boy John, some Gixxer, a beautiful CF 450 SS. It's one of the cooler new bikes. It's a Chinese bike. It's a great deal. Something I thought I would buy for a track toy. Page on an R1, ZX4. Bro is gapping you. We got our bitch strapped down. We were supposed to have a little fun run with Chowda, but that ended up not happening. He decided not to come. I think he was scared of getting gapped. Ooh, John is a menace. No plate out here, John? Okay, okay. Don't think we're going to do any runs with anybody, but I was like, let me start vlogging. Why not? What is that? We got a buddy? What's up, buddy? We got a buddy 1793. Maybe get some cool action sauce. I don't know. It doesn't sound like we're going to be splitting, or it doesn't seem like we're going to be lane splitting. So that might be a slow pace, just mostly me talking. But yeah, no. So we'll actually do this as a first ride as it's strapped, because it is strapped as low as can be right now. I got a little downhill driveway strapping. So when I was rolling down the driveway, grab brake, yank that strap, and it is locked down right now. Crazy. So I can't be doing no crazy turning. Actually, it's a little nimble. But yeah, no, it's definitely hot with this visor completely down. It is a warm day. This bike was not happy earlier today. It was overheating. It was pissed the fuck off. But it's okay. It was warm. She spit out a little bit of coolant from getting too hot. Oh! We're good now. Hey! Aprilia! Paige, Paige being a menace out here. Ooh, we got us a little bit of smoke right now. Cool.
Can you wheelie it? No, come on.
It won't come up.
Huh?
It won't come up because it's strapped right now. I heard it in my exhaust. Never get additional. That's crazy. That was a fun little pull. Those Harleys thought that they were fast though. Texting and writing. Pull off. I think we lost somebody. Pull to the right. Pull to the right, we lost somebody. Alright, get ready. After this next black car, go. Come on, come on. Oh, it's a puppy. Oh, hi, puppy. We lost the other half of the group again. Come on, learn how to lean, buddy. Oh, my nuts. Lamborghini. Get right lane, 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 right lane. The open one. Ooh, alright. I'm gapping you. Oh, it's a puppy. There's a group of cute girls right here. Oh, their boyfriend's in the back seat. Oh. But I didn't even tell you. Remember those two girls? Remember those two girls that sucked off my camera? Oh, look, I know that guy. Remember those two girls in PCH that like sucked off my camera? Okay? They were at the meet. I seen two girls. They walked up. One was on that Z400. And she looked at me, made eye contact, looked down, was walking away, and told her sister, "I think that Sticker's the one for the night," and dipped out. And then later on, one was tall and skinny, the other one was short and fat, just like the two. And then I want to race that GTR. Poor Harley, he thought he had shit, and then I hit the two-step on him. Am I gonna fit this one? They're out for the night. They're here for the party. I'm telling you, all the ones that they're either going to the beach or they're going home and going to get dressed and gonna go get drunk tonight on Main Street. What do you mean? This is a... They're trying to... Actually, no, I'm not going to do anything right here. Oh, no! Menaces. Look at their fucking menaces to society out here. You're on camera, so pop it up! Do I strap it down for him? He gonna see me strap and be like, How many subscribers on YouTube? Stickers is my aunt, so I'll probably post you guys on Instagram next week. Huh? I can't! It comes up! He was like, that now. You just go. Well, you just roll into it and I'll hit off you. You just roll into it and I'll go with you. This is exactly the reason why I got straps. I just wish it was strapped down so he didn't even know. He had to see me strap it. I was reeling him in, he just got off before. Are those? Oh no, I was like, is that same kid? No, it's not. I thought about that and I was like, there ain't no way, bro, keeping up. Ended up getting a race in with some random S1K. Without it strapped down, the wheelie control kept killing power, which it's okay, it happens. But when I strapped it, this bike was a total different animal. But that's why we installed them, because we need to keep that wheel down. When hauling ass, oh, this thing all it wants to do is mop, mop, mop.